Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about why Tesla changed from induction motor to PMSM motor.
Yes, so in this video we are going to deeply discuss about the case study on why Tesla has been transferred from induction motor to PMSM motor in their applications, right? So let us detailly discuss the things. We are going to gather here to discuss our points regarding this case study. Okay, so Keshav, please start.
In early vehicles like Tesla Model S and Tesla Model X, they have been used induction motor, which is inspired from Nicholas Tesla, and laterly they started to use this PMSM motor because for producing better efficiency and better power. In recent model, which is like Tesla Model 3S, and in these models they are using PMSM motor or PMSR motors for better efficiency. So from the early days, now they are changed to PMSM or PMSR motors.
So hello everyone, I'm here to tell some introduction of induction motor. First, let's see the need of the induction motor, why they are used. The reason first they are used, that was a simple motor and durable, and also it will give strong performance. So let's see the working of the induction motor. First, it have a same like stator rotor, and it doesn't have a magnet like other motors. So the working principle of the motor is same as like other motors. It has some advantage compared to other. The one is it doesn't need lot of minerals from it, so it's a good advantage for it. And the motor construction is reliable and simple. So the making of this motor is simple, and also it will give strong performance and also give high speed. So that also good advantage for this motor, and it will give some minimal losses compared to other motors, and also it also have some limitations compared to other motors. The first one is lower efficiency in some loads. If we are giving a high load in this motor, it will give low efficiency, and also reduced driving range compared to the other motors. It will give some low driving range, and also higher heat in this motor. It will produce some heat higherly compared to other motors, and it need continuous power to run this motor. Some issues got in this motor, the motor will stop. And again, I say the main advantage of this motor is choosing is first durable and high performance, and the magnet free motor, and it was technically proven. Thank you.
Yes,
I am going to give the introduction why Tesla brought PMSM motor. So the PMSM motor is nothing but the permanent magnet synchronous reluctance motor. So the motor first they introduced in the Model 3 drivetrain. So they used this motor to give more efficiency and range. So what they did is they used a permanent magnet. So permanent magnet when they use which reduces the magnetic flux, like the magnetic flux is more. So due to this, the efficiency and the range is being increased. So by this they increase the efficiency of the vehicle in the vehicle.
So I'm going to explain what are the key reasons that Tesla has been shifted from induction motor to permanent magnet synchronous motor, which is called as PMSM motor. So the first thing is for the efficiency. It has a lot of range. It will provide more range, like 95 to 97% of efficiency is higher than induction motor, which is in a permanent magnet synchronous motor, and there will be a better torque density. The motor size will be low, but the torque is very high. So it will provide more space for the motor to be packed in the vehicle. That's the main reason why Tesla has been shifted from induction motor to permanent magnet synchronous motor. And there is also cost optimization. When taking induction motor, it is it is like it's more costly. So Tesla has been shifted from PMSM motor. So that's my point. Yes.
Now Tesla approaches to hybrid. Actually, Tesla did not entirely stop induction motor. Actually, it included with all motor type. This is a dual motor type and many four-wheel drive. Combine the high efficiency of PMSM with the high power capability and a good efficient with daily and instant acceleration.
Yes, we had a very good case study on the major shift from the induction motor to PMSM motor in Tesla. So, thank you.
Thank you, sir.